He's not a stranger, Elena. He's just learning to have opinions, maybe louder than ours.
That's not an opinion. That's defiance, and you let him debate everything.
Debate is how he learns to think. You want obedience, I want understanding.
Understanding? He knows if he cries, you fold. You call it empathy, I call it surrender.
And I call your version fear.
Fear keeps kids alive.
Fear also keeps them small.
I don't know how to be a team in parenting.
We'll need to learn and get help too.
Are you mad at me? No, sweetie. We're mad because we're learning how to love you better.
And because it's okay to feel big things.
Parenting was never meant to be a solo mission. It's a journey best navigated together. Behind every thriving child, there's a strong, cohesive team, two adults aligned, communicating openly, and protecting the same emotional frontier. When parents are truly united, children feel profoundly safe and secure, understanding their world is stable. They learn that love has structure and boundaries are always delivered with compassion, fostering a sense of belonging. But when we fracture, when our unity falters, children feel the fault line first, sensing the instability immediately. They begin to test, not because they're bad, but because they're desperately searching for stability in the ensuing chaos. Mixed signals from parents build confusion, creating an environment of uncertainty for young minds. Confusion breeds anxiety, and that anxiety often manifests as behavior that looks like defiance, but is truly a cry for reassurance. Division between parents teaches children that love must choose sides, forcing them into an impossible position. It teaches them to perform for attention or hide to avoid blame, building emotional armor where natural curiosity should freely grow. Being a parenting team isn't about agreeing on everything. It's about disagreeing with profound respect and solving challenges with clarity. It's about presenting one unified voice to your child, even if the conversation behind closed doors was messy and complex. Because someday your child will face a world that doesn't bend to their will or desires. And the practice they get at home, emotional negotiation, problem-solving, empathy, becomes the essential blueprint for how they'll survive and thrive out there. When parents align, they become the unwavering backbone of resilience, providing steadfast support. They're the North Star kids returned to when life's storms get dark and challenging. Teamwork in parenting doesn't just raise children, it raises future adults who know how to love, communicate effectively, and stand their ground without breaking. So remember, you're not opponents. You're architects, partners, and teammates in this incredible journey. And your unity might just be the strongest, most enduring lesson your child ever learns. Do subscribe for more family insights. Sending you love from 2 Cents of Love.